Yo, what's going on YouTube? Tab back again with another video. Today's video, I am answering the question, what do most YouTubers use to record their videos? Um, interesting question. The first thing, if you're first starting out and you don't have a lot of money, you could use your cell phone. This right here. Use your cell phone. Most cell phones these days play pretty good, 720 or 1080p recording of your videos. So this is the S9. I had the S6 maybe 8-9 months ago, and I was doing videos off my S6. S6 is like, I don't know, 3-4 years old. So your cell phone should be your first line of offense to start recording your videos. And the cool thing about the cell phone is you record your videos, and there are editing softwares you could put on your phone. That's hard to do with a cell phone, but you could record a video from your phone and upload it straight to YouTube from your phone instantly. I mean, not instantly, but you could download it right to YouTube, and you have a YouTube video. So that's one way, is use your cell phone. Another way you record your videos, I'm using Filmora to record this my screen. Now you can use OBS systems. That's free software. You record your screen. I bought Filmora to edit my videos, and it has a feature on here that you can record your screen. So I'm gonna use my paid version because I paid for it. I'm gonna use it. So but you don't have to pay. Filmora is $60 one-time fee, which I think is worth it. Paying $60 one time, no monthly payments. I think it's worth the investment if you want to really get into YouTube. That'd be a really good thing to get if you really want to get into YouTube and really take it seriously. You'll need some editing software to edit your videos. But since initially, you could just for more than $60. I mean, it's not big a deal. I had it for a year and a half. I like it, and I use it. So you use your OBS system, or your laptop or desktop might have a feature on there that records your screen. So there's two ways of what you use to record with. Now, for me, I have a game channel as well. Let's have a little bigger here. I have a game channel as well, and for that, I use Mixer.com. Mixer, which I'll go here really quickly. Let's come here. Let's go to Mixer real quick. Let's go to Mixer. Mixer is it's like Twitch. It's a place where you can, play gameplay, and you can live stream your games. So basically, what I do is, it's somebody playing Grand Theft Auto right now. So what I typically do is I'll play a game. This is for guys who wants girls or anybody want to do a gaming channel. You use Twitch or Mixer, and there's an option on Mixer you have to select in the settings to record game footage and keep the footage. So what you do is you'll play the game, you'll live stream from your Xbox, whatever. Once you're done playing the game, you make sure you go to the Xbox dashboard and you hit stop recording and wait 5 or 10 minutes because it has to render. I've realized that when I turn the Xbox off and go to bed, that gameplay will not record it. So make sure you hit stop and you wait 10 minutes before you cut the Xbox off. But Mixer will hold you stream for 5 hours, it will hold the whole stream for 14 days. So it will record everything. So depending how good your internet connection is the quality of the video. But mainly it's pretty good. So all I do is you can download the video to your laptop or your computer from Mixer, and you upload it to Filmora or whatever software you're using to edit the video. So that's a third way you record videos, especially for game videos. Having capture cards and other stuff, you don't really need it. I mean, you could get them things, but if you can go on the cheap side, which I did, I use Mixer or Twitch. They record my game footage, I download the video, upload the video to my editing software, go and edit the video, upload that to YouTube. That takes a lot of steps. Downloading a huge, and remind you, you're downloading a 5 to 6 hour video. So it takes time to download that to your computer. It takes even more time to upload that to a editing software, and it takes time to render that that video. And rendering just means there's a button right here, render. So what's going to do is once you upload the video, Filmora will render the video. So it will, like, I guess, download it a second time in my mind. That way the playthrough will be much smoother. So this is a longer transition. To download it to to your computer takes time. Upload it to Filmora or any other software takes time. Then rendering the video takes time. Editing the video takes time, and uploading it to YouTube takes time as well. So it's a time consuming thing, but it don't cost no money. You know what I'm saying? Only thing you need is editing software and a decent power laptop. And I'm using this laptop is an i5 8th gen Intel processor, so it can handle a video. But if your laptop is not can't do videos, it's very choppy, get a better laptop. If you're planning on doing YouTube full time and you really want to make some money from it, I'll say get Filmora, get a newer laptop, at least an i5. i3 is good too, but i5 is maybe $130 more, $200 more. I think it's worth it. Get you a nice cell phone, which you probably have anyway, and start making videos. So those are 3 ways you can use to record your videos. You can use software like Mixer or Twitch. You use Filmora to record your screen. I'm using a $30 camera right now from Amazon. Webcams are $30, and also this webcam can also go on my Xbox. I can live stream with it as well. That's why I bought it. Now, most laptops and computers have their built-in webcam. They're decent, but they're kind of fuzzy. This one I bought, not only looks way better, but also I can use my Xbox, plug it in, and live stream from it. So I have to buy an expensive camera. So there are ways around it. So I'll link in the bottom of this video the laptop that I'm using. This costs about, I think, $650, I think, and it works pretty well for videos. There's no choppiness at all. This webcam costs $30. It's a spindle 1080p full HD camera. It's $30 from Amazon. I'll also link to the cell phone. I'll link to it, but you don't have to get it. But S9 works pretty good on phones. I mean, good on videos. You ain't trying to spend a lot of money on cell phones, but those are 3 ways. You can also buy a portable camera from Amazon. You spend $100 to under $60. You get you a decent camera that records, and some of them already uploads to YouTube automatically for you. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Again, the cell phone is just a start. In the future, you probably want to get a nice Sony camera, like the vloggers use all the time. A really nice camera, maybe some good audio. A good audio, you might charge you $20 or $30 on Amazon for that. Some lighting, if you want to do something like that. But you don't have to start there. You just start with the cell phone. Get the editing software now. You got to pay for it later. Get the webcam, and all together, if you don't include the phone, because the phone plays video anyway, I probably spent about $100. I mean, the webcam was $30, and Filmora was $60. I'm saying $100 to round it up, but really $90. But say $100 to get started, and you don't really need the webcam, but you will need editing software. So that's it in my video. What you need, what is needed to record videos. This is the cheapest route to go to, and so you start building, and once you get bigger, you'll graduate. You're like, you know what? I'm gonna need this. You know what? I'm gonna need that. And that's how I was in the beginning. I was using my Galaxy S6 for my videos, and I realized that that phone dies really quickly. The battery sucks on it, and I had to keep it charged all the time. And the memory was gone. It's like it won't hold but maybe 3 videos, and I had to upload it and delete it and do whatever. So and the quality wasn't great. So I had to like, you know what? I need a better phone with a better camera, better battery that looks good, and I got the S9 during that time, and that's what I did. I know, and while I did the screencast, I know what I'm gonna need, a better webcam, and you do a little research, and then boom, you find a webcam. So that's how I do my videos. And Mixer, I still use Mixer to this day. I don't see myself going any different until a game channel gets to a point where it's making a lot of money. I could buy other equipment, but right now, don't need other equipment. Only that probably needs more games and time, but that's about it. So if you like the video, please like the video, share the video. Also, link below the video. I have my laptop that I use. Very nice laptop. Not cost a whole lot of money. The webcam, the Galaxy S9 if you want to get it. But I don't buy the newer phones because we go to S9 to S10 or S11. It's not a big difference. The S9 and S10 are exactly the same phone. There's a little bit better camera on the S10. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend extra $400 on a newer phone, so I got the S9 instead, and it works wonders. And now I'm using it to the fullest, and then my next phone could be the S11 or S12. So, yeah. That's just my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video. I have all the links below of all the tools and things that I use. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.